Okay, smart rural may seem a little bizarre in the context of some of the other presentations. We are a agricultural co-op based in Scotland, but what we have as one of our USPs for the work that we're doing around Agriculture 4.0 and the deployment of a rural national LoRaWAN is that we can potentially offer site access as a service. So if anybody's interested in rural locations, we can make them accessible. And whilst this is something that is definitely aimed at Scotland, because we are a Scottish agricultural co-op, we've already been in conversations with entities in Shropshire and Cheshire Monday this week. And yes, there is no reason why this model cannot be used elsewhere. So whilst we are about LoRaWAN, very low bandwidth, we do believe we have strong synergies to offer to 5G and others. Next slide, please. What our network will look like is 2,000 plus sites across rural Scotland, and it's pretty low tech masts, 9 to 10 meter height on farm structures. But that's our USP, because we are doing this for the farmers. One of the things that we have access to at an industrial scale is sites. So that's one of our offerings here, possibly. Next slide, please. Now, at the very simple end is what we're doing with LoRaWAN, Internet of Things on a massive scale. Next slide, please. Or next click. Yeah. We take that infrastructure, very simple, and we create 2 other bays that can be rented out. And then final click on this slide, please. And ultimately, we can go from LoRaWAN through to full fixed wireless access, 10 gigabit wireless broadband. Next slide, please. And this is something that we're working on with one of our local authorities. They want to utilize a network of farm buildings that we will develop, and they want to deploy fixed wireless access, 10 and 1 gigabit, to reach out to their rural assets and potentially create a 5G testbed. So what we're offering is site sharing, and we're willing to work with anybody in Scotland or potentially elsewhere to set up rural networks based on the farmer-owned cooperative model that is helping us deliver outside-in digital comms capability in rural Scotland. Thank you.